These are the elevators at the Allegheny General Hospital staff garage in Northside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I think these were originally Otis, but were recently modernized by Schindler 6400 with Mad BS Moon. Get the right elevator. Go down to 1. Door closed, the door controls light up. Only second one I've been on like that. And here you go down. You're at 1. They do talk, you can barely hear the voice though. To 8. And here you go. Oh. That big door closed. Either that or the other one was there. These are also scenic. There's this Snyder Pavilion right there, which they have Schindler Hottens. They're currently being modernized at Schindler Port. Here at 8. I think that little part there is where the Linden elevators are, which are currently being modernized by Schindler. Back down to Maine. Cabinet, 88 phone. Basic pink cabs. These are pretty nice. I think these were originally Otis. I cannot say for sure. That doesn't sound that good. These are so smooth. Back up Maine. They're closing, that's gonna be it.